Hello everyone, it's a small awareness video on pollution. Yes, it's December 2. Today is the National Pollution Prevention Day. Pollution is an incurable disease. It can only be prevented. If you don't kill it, it will kill you. We must know the reason for observing this day. This day is observed in the memory of people who lost their life in Bhopal gas tragedy. It was occurred in the year of 1984 on the night of 2nd December. Many people has died due to the poisonous gas methyl isocyanide. Objectives of this day: to spread awareness on managing and controlling the industrial disasters, to prevent the pollution produced by the industrial process and human negligence, to make people in industries to aware of the importance of pollution control acts. How bad we treat our earth. Air pollution is detrimental to human health and a planet as a whole. Most of the air pollution comes from use and production of energy. It kills 7 million people in every year globally. Then, contaminating the earth's surface by throwing waste material is known as land pollution, which depletes the quality of soil, one of the earth's most important natural resources. Due to the land pollution, the earth loses approximately 25 billion tons of topsoil. Harmful substances like toxic chemicals are contaminate and degrading the water quality is known as water pollution. Every day, almost 40 million liters of untreated industrial wastewater mixed into the rivers and other water bodies. Contaminated and unsafe water kills more people for each year, more than the war and other forms of violence. We must try to give a pollution-free environment to the coming generation. For that, we need to take the following steps. Avoid burning plastics and other waste materials. Reduce the number of trips you take in your car. Use and buy recycled products only. Promote using renewable energy. Stop using plastics. Instead of that, use eco-friendly products in your home. Enhance plantation. If we are dreaming and planning for our secure future, then we should take step forward to take care of pollution which we are causing in our day-to-day life. Be a part of solution, not a part of pollution.